Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level on the left and right earbuds are different. And you have a start by open the application. Now go to the settings, scroll down and go to device information. Right here, check if you have the last version. I have the last one. If you haven't, just install a new one and check, maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, we should perform a hard reset, and we can make it right here. We can use by a gesture, make it, and by in the application also. So just click on it and then click OK. Then hide the application, go to the settings, connected devices, and now if you have Android you can just click on it and then click pair. If you have iOS you should remove it, so click the information icon or settings if you wanna also remove it. Forget. Now click pair a new device. And it entered to prank mode automatically, so just click on it in the device list and then click pair. Also, if all of these methods didn't help you, I recommend it to fully charge your earbuds and then check. If it didn't fix, just contact customer service center. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!